DTIDocs Accessing Documents. Once you find a document you wish to access, if you double-click on the document's name, the default Windows program for that type of document will be used to open it. You can view, print, or update the document based on its document type. We will exit out of this document. If you single-click on a document's name, you will be given a list of actions. The actions list will display the document's name at the top. Top Open button is used to open the document, just like double-clicking it. The Copy button is used to make a duplicate copy of the document, letting you give the new document any name you wish. We will click on the Copy button. When prompted, we are entering the new name of our copied document. Then we will click the OK button and the document will be copied and placed in the open folder. The Rename button lets us change the name of the document. We will click on the document we want to rename. After clicking the Rename button, we are prompted for the new document's name. I will enter a new name now. Notice, document names automatically have blanks changed to underscores. Also, each separate word is capitalized. If you're finished with a document and want to get rid of it, you would use the Delete button. We will click on the document we no longer need. Now we will click the Delete button. You will be given a second chance, making sure you want to delete the document. We will reply yes, and the document will be deleted. But, what if we changed our mind? No worries, mate. The delete document could be recovered for some period of time from the Windows recycle bin. What if we want to move a document into another tab folder? First, we will click on the document we wish to move, then click the Move button. Let's use the Move button to move a document from the Open tab folder to another folder. Now we will click on the tab where we want to move the document to, and the process will be completed. The document was placed in the new tab folder and removed from the original one. As a security feature, you can encrypt any document so that it can only be opened with a password you create. To encrypt the document, click on the document's name, then select the Encrypt button. What the encryption process consists of will be displayed on the screen. 1. Encrypting a file replaces your file with a standard format, zip file. 2. You will be prompted to supply a password to create the zip file. The password must be at least 8 characters long and is case sensitive. 3. Accessing the file in the future, Windows will require the password. 4. Normally the file will be compressed and take up less space. We will reply yes to proceed with the encryption. You will be prompted to enter the password you want associated with the file, twice. Upper and lowercase does matter in this instance. You can click the Show buttons to see what you entered on the screen. It's very important that you remember your password. You will not be able to open the file in the future without it. To make things easier, I will click both Show buttons first. Then I will enter the password I want to use twice. I will be given a final chance to stop the encryption process. I will click Yes to proceed. Now the document will be listed with a Windows.zip extension. Whenever anyone tries to open the document, Windows will prompt them to enter a password. Now let's say we wanted to decrypt the file, or get back the unencrypted version. We will click on the file name again. This time the Decrypt button is displayed. After selecting the Decrypt button, we will be prompted to enter our password. I will click the Show button first. After entering the correct password, the original unencrypted document will be restored. Notice, the encrypted version also still exists. If we didn't want the encrypted version any longer, we could simply click on it and use the Delete button. Now let's say we want to send a copy of the unencrypted document to someone. We can click on the document's name, then select the Export button. Next, you can browse to the Windows folder where you want to store the exported copy of the document. We will click Desktop and OK to complete the process. Now we could use our email service and attach the document on the desktop to our email. Another feature that can be useful is to create notes or comments associated with a document. The comments are stored separately but can be used when searching for the document in the future. We will click on the document's name, then click the Comments button. On the Comments screen you can enter new notes, or update existing ones. Another super cool feature is if the document is a PDF, or image, you will see a button allowing you to scan the document to include its text. This is commonly called OCR, or optical character recognition. In our example, it is a PDF, so we will click the Scan Document to Text button. Depending on the size and complexity of the document, this can take several moments. You will need to be patient. When the OCR is finished, any text it could read from the original document is added to the document's comments. The text may look jumbled, but remember it is designed to just be used when you are searching for documents. The comments are not really part of the original document. For example, if you export the document to give a copy to someone, the comments are not included. We will show you in the video for finding or searching for documents, how to include the comments in your search. This concludes this video regarding accessing documents. Thank you.